Well, now that I have backup lights, I forgot I bought some LEDs for them, so let's replace them today. Hopefully it shouldn't be that bad. Maybe? Let's go find out. Let's see what we got today. Well, here they are. A little dusty. I hope I got the right ones. Literally the rest of the car, like the cargo area lights, the dome lights, everything. I've been rocking this brand for them, so far they've been pretty good. None of them have failed me, and it's been about a couple years now, so let's see if we can try to get these installed real quick. Hopefully shouldn't, knock on wood, shouldn't be too difficult. So here's currently what they look like. Again, that's just the factory stuff. Not too bad. But let's see if we can make them a little brighter. All right, here's kind of the part that stinks, at least with the hatchback. These are separate units. This is one piece. These are another. And then the back part where the actual light is another one. However, they're essentially layered. I mean, I don't know if I could just take out the back, but essentially they're like resting on top of one another, if that makes sense. So I gotta take off this, then these, and then I'm gonna take this off. Again, it's kind of a pain, but the nice part is that they literally just snap off. Let me see if I can. I kind of already started it, but just kind of be careful. Especially if it's your first time doing it. Oh God, I hate doing this. I always feel like I'm breaking stuff. Okay. You like my duct tape job? I forgot to put this in there because, it's a hatchback and it rattles. So much for the duct tape. But anyways, we're just going to continue snapping these off all the way around. You can see here's kind of where the things go. And again, LEDs everywhere. So these little tabs, be careful with them, they're plastic. Just slide in these little slots. You can kind of see it there. All right, let's try to get this. There we go. Okay, cool. Again, a little slot there. Feels like I'm breaking it, but I'm not. Oh, also keep them organized. Left, right, center. Okay. Now this guy. If I remember, again, I've had this off before. If I remember correctly, it is just a snap as well. It's so much harder to do this one-handed. Now this, try to pull towards you, but also like kind of lift up. The head strap works a little better. There we go. Okay. Whew. And they're literally right there. Bam. Hopefully the camera's catching it. Whew. I already did the, here's what it looks like. Again, just plastic everywhere, so just kind of be careful with it. Oh my God. So there's the bulb right there. So, again, just push type connectors here. Push in, slide out. And these, I believe, is it counterclockwise or clockwise? Let's try counterclockwise. Bam. Ta-da. Hopefully I got the right ones. Now these are, I don't think they have a polarity, right? Yeah, no polarity, so in theory, even if I, you know, doesn't matter the orientation, I guess. There we go. That thing literally barely fits. It's pretty tall. Again, counterclockwise to take them off. Clockwise, you'll feel it. So it's loose right now. There you go. Let's plug those back in. Nice and snug. Now, before you go crazy, let's just make sure it works. All right, you already see the difference? So now they're gonna match also these guys that I already replaced. So, new, old, new, old, old, new. All right, so again, there we go. Ta-da, leave it hanging. Counterclockwise, slide it down. Again, slide it up in here. Clockwise to lock it. There you go, nice and snug. All right, turned off the lights in the garage for dramatic effect. Nice. Actually putting out quite a lot of light, to be honest. Damn, that looks pretty good. It's pretty nice. You know, in the name of safety. So again, this thing takes, I don't know, first time, 15, 30 minutes at most, I would say. Now, just gotta put these pieces, you know, put them back on. That's pretty much it.